Hey homies, what's good? It's Chris and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave some comments down below. Today, tell me what's your favorite Jamaican drink or meal. I want to know. I want to know. But today we're in the kitchen with my favorite girl and we're going to make one of my favorite drinks. We are making Jamaican sorrel in mommy's kitchen, and she's gonna give you her secret to making the best Jamaican sorrel. Cheers. This was one of my favorite books to get into when I was a little girl. I was always more advanced than my age, so I don't even know why I wasn't reading nursery rhymes. Well, I wouldn't say that young, but junior high school, this is a book about how to become a Jamaican. So for tourists, they sell this in the tourist area in Jamaica. I think my mom got this at the airport. One of her trips home, or one of our family trips home, she purchased this. And it is hilarious, different sketches, and it's funny. So definitely pick it up, How to Be a Jamaican.
Already. You see, they're clean and washed. And I had it in the freezer. So this bag, I bought this bag and I used a half of it, so I left the half.
So this is the
This is fresh. See how pink it is? It's fresh sorrel.
So you freeze it.
Yeah, you can use it and you freeze it. I use some, put some in the freezer. I put some in the freezer.
Okay.
I don't need more, so I have another bag.
So sorrel is the same as hibiscus?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is good for blood pressure.
Yeah, see? You see how it looks?
Oh, it's like the
See?
Oh, okay.
That's it.
Okay. So this is good for blood pressure. I'll leave below or put on the screen some of the things that it's good for.
That's how it looks.
Oh, okay.
That's fresh.
Oh.
So this one, when you buy the dry one, then they dry it out and things, but I buy it fresh because I have a friend that
planted.
Yeah.
So you can also draw this and make like
a
tea.
cup of tea.
A
So
good
you
cup
can
of tea.
pop, yeah.
Yeah, so it's good for your blood pressure and stuff like that. It's some other things it's very beneficial. Put in here is the ginger that.
I use this amount of ginger for that because in addition to that, when I'm ready to sweeten it, I can pour the liquid, but I still like to put some fresh one.
So you boil it with the skin on and everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like to grate it because it gives you more potency, you know, as opposed to pimento seed. Maybe about a dozen.
That's more than a dozen.
Whatever.
Okay. Well, you guys gauge it for the flavor. So the water is boiling. It's on a medium heat. Again, I'll put a recipe below so you can get the exact measurements. So is that the same thing as allspice? Or no?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Allspice is good.
Okay. Alright, so We're gonna let that boil up.
I'm gonna put everything.
Oh, she was gonna put it. Okay. All right, I'll be quiet and let her do her thing.
You see how rich it is? Look at the bag. You see how rich it is?
Mm-hmm.
Want a little to save to make tea?
Yeah.
Okay, because you just need to put like 2 pieces in a cup of water.
Okay.
And that's it to make drink with it, to boil it.
Make like a nice little drink. Okay. Okay, so to measure that out, she said that's about 3 pounds of sorrel, give or take. So remember that that's fresh sorrel and not the dry. And then she added in the pimento seed with the water. I want to say that that's about 8 cups of water, give or take. And I think she's gonna add some more as it's boiling. Oh, she's gonna put it now. Excuse me.
Some people just put the ginger in, but I want to get
That smells good.
people just cut it up and put it in, but I want to taste the ginger, so that's why I'm grating some of it. You can just throw it in like that.
Oh, so way. Things I remember on Sundays is, I think I told y'all before, I was in charge of the cakes, but also if my mom was
used to make a jello mold.
I used to make jello molds or like the drink. So if we were doing carrot juice, then I would cut up the carrots and blend it, and then my mom would do like the sweetening it and putting the rum and the nutmeg and all that different kind of stuff. Or she would do like sour sop, any type of drink, I would help her with that, but I did the cakes. So I'll fast forward through this, guys. All she's basically doing now is just cutting up the ginger. You notice that she's not taking the peels or anything off. You washed it clean and just use everything. It's really gonna have like a really strong, nice gingery taste to it. And then she's gonna add all of that back into the pot. It smells good already. Okay, girl. I see you, girl. I told my mom, we went, remember I posted the video of us at the Jamaican restaurant, and I told her that I love the people sorrel. Okay, so she's gonna show me that sorrel is the bomb.
It's starting to get the color.
Yeah, it's already getting the color. Okay, cool. All right, y'all. We'll be back. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead, the sorrel is floating up to the top. Once it's boiled and start boiling, you'll see them start to sink to the bottom. You can let this, once it's boiled up, you can let it seep overnight a couple hours, however long you want to let it seep, or how deep red you want the
How much time you have, some people.
or how much time you have on your hand. But
Put it on a little bit overnight, sweeten it the next day.
Also, how you sweeten it is up to you. If you're a diabetic, you can use a sugar substitute like Equal, Splenda, whatever it is that you use, Truvia, whatever, stevia, whatever. My mom, well, you gonna use the Splenda?
Yeah.
My mom is gonna use Splenda. You could use sugar, brown or regular sugar, coconut sugar, whatever. Do you, girl? Do you, boo?
I'm a diabetic, I don't play with sugar.
So, however you want to sweeten it, you can sweeten it. But again, I'll leave the recipe below for you to follow.
Pretty much gone though. And the color getting rich. And it's see them used to float up, so now they get saturated. They don't, so you just leave it on simmer now. That's going down to the bottom.
Okay, so when it's
So
ready.
it's steep when it's set.
Okay, so when it starts going to the bottom, it's ready.
Yeah, so you just leave it, let it sit.
So you're gonna take this off the stove now? and
No,
let it
it can just stay there. You just sit there. I'm going to turn off the stove and it just sit there, see?
sit? Right, that's what I'm saying. You're
Yeah.
gonna turn the fire off.
You see, and all of the thing down the bottom just stay there. That's it. See how soft they get and mushy? Okay? So they're doing their thing. But all of it now gone to the bottom. That's it. It overnight. You get the trash on the bed, you just take that out. So I just take out some that it's easier to pour.
You want the garbage?
Yeah, I'm gonna make it drain in a minute. Super strong it is. You want wine in it too a little bit?
Yeah, please. All right, so your sugar again is to taste. So I can't really tell you exactly how much sugar, but like I said, I'll have the recipe below. So for my personal batch, we're using regular sugar, and for my parents' batch, they're going to be using a sugar substitute because they're both diabetic. All right, so that's red label wine.
And see, it says grape wine.
So let me use this disclaimer. This is not a drink for children. If you are making some for kids, omit the alcohol. Maybe make a smaller container for them. All right, and this is the overproof Jamaican white rum, not Malibu. This is the real deal. Jamaicans use this for colds. You feel sick, you get in a shot of rum.
You see how rich it is. If you don't want it, you can always add the water and water.
Oh my God, I smell it all. I smell the rum, I smell the wine. Like, what I do is usually, like, in the evenings, like how you would have, like, a glass of wine. I just have a glass of this, and it puts me right to sleep because I'm really lightweight. So, this is it. So, I'm sorry, the bakery is not going to see me for a long time because this is going to last for a long time.
Because this need to die. You can dilute that. That sounds strong.
It's very strong. I smell it.
I'm not talking about the rum.
Oh, the strength.
The strength of the sorrel cake.
Yeah,
But
so
in
once
the
you put some
store-
ice, I usually
Yeah.
put ice in my glass.
Yeah.
What? Y'all, half a gallon was $18.
Maybe I need more sugar because he likes it. You need more sugar.
It's perfect. Taste
It's
it.
sweet? Yeah, taste it.
Y'all, this is so good. And again, like if you want it stronger with ginger, it has a good amount of ginger. If you want it stronger,
Always keep this on
I
hand.
have my mom always
even Publix or anywhere.
my mom always ships this to me. If you don't want to like do your fresh ginger, it's just as good. I always add
when
it.
I'm cooking anything.
And yeah, when I do cabbage or anything like that. So you can add it per glass. Like if you want to make it like your glass a little stronger, just add a little bit more. But yeah, that's it. This is holiday time ready. Okay, so she's about to do the Splenda version. So she's gonna add in just the amount of a little less.
We don't mess.
So half the amount of wine that she put in the other one is what she's gonna put in here.
They can put the wine in the amount if they want. We here and I don't drink it, and I'm not gonna drink it. So just everything. About a cup of Splenda goes with that amount because,
So about a cup of Splenda for this amount.
because we don't use sugar.
So this is diabetic friendly, but like I told you, hibiscus has so many health benefits. So you're just gonna keep stirring until it dilutes, and voila!
We just drink it like a juice. You drink it like a juice, you don't drink it like.
So I'm gonna put this disclaimer on the video. This is not a kid-friendly drink. Please make sure that you're not giving this to minors. Please drink responsibly. Cheers! Alright, so this is mine all packed up and ready to go. From my family to yours, wishing you the best of the best of the best of the best. If you make this recipe, don't forget to come back and let us know below.